Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Webflow CMS collections for client projects, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your Webflow CMS collections, start by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to the project that contains the CMS collections you want to back up. In the left-hand sidebar, click on the Collections tab. Select the CMS collection you wish to back up. Once you're in the collection settings, look for the Export option. Click on the Export button to download your collection data. The data will be exported as a CSV file. Save the CSV file in a designated backup folder on your computer. Repeat this process for any additional CMS collections you want to backup. Once all collections have been exported, ensure that you have a reliable backup system in place. Consider creating a version control system for your backups. Label each backup file with the project name and date for easy identification. Store your backups in a secure location, such as a cloud storage service or an external hard drive. Regularly update your backups after significant changes to the CMS collections. This will ensure that you always have access to the most current data. If you're working with a team, communicate your backup process to maintain consistency. By following these steps, you can efficiently back up your Webflow CMS collections for client projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.